Everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at a 4-pack of RPK style. I'm going to use those terms loosely. You guys will be able to figure out what I mean by that. Basically a 4-pack of those mags, Romanian ones that basically came with a mag pouch. So RTI had those for $99. I ordered 2 sets of those. I have no idea of what the condition is. I have no idea how nice they are. I don't even know how good the mag pouches are, but today you're going to get an idea of what you might be able to expect. I am by no means sponsored by them, but I just ordered these on a whim just to see what I could get, and maybe you guys will get an idea of what you can expect should you decide to order from them also. So without further ado, let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Of course, it does have the dreaded packing peanut. Like I said, I have no idea what to expect out of this. Could be good. Could be not so good. Looks like I've got 2 of these in here. Stuff going everywhere. Pretty nice mag pouches, I will say that. Those look almost brand new. Get the other mag pouch. Get the get the peanuts to turn loose. Cool. Let's get this out of the way. So on the surface, these mag pouches look as though they were possibly unissued. So they hold 40 of those. I would lovingly call them RPK style mags. Canvas looks to be in good shape. Leather needs some TLC, possibly some oil, some leather conditioner. Kind of like a haversack or satchel, which looks good. It can also attach to your belt. The buckle itself has some surface rust, but I wouldn't say that it's beyond serviceable. That one looks pretty nice. Let's put that aside. Let's look at the other one. The other one appears to be pretty much the same condition. A little bit of rust on that buckle. Canvas looks good. Leather looks pretty good. Of course, you got your 4 pockets there, which look good. And then I'm assuming that's an oiler. That's for an oiler bottle, maybe. It's a very small little pouch. But once again, has the loops here for your belt, as well as the strap to sling it across your shoulder. That's pretty cool. But the bigger concern is, and what you guys are probably wondering, is whether or not these mags are usable or if they look decent. So let's find out. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I would assume they're probably going to look a little rough, and they might. Let's see. So they have a little bit of surface rust. That follower is not all the way to the top for whatever reason. Kind of stuck in there due to the rust. Looks like the same scenario with this one. That's interesting. Are they all like that? It looks like all of them may be like that. Except for this one. Once again, they do have a little bit of surface rust. These are just a parkerized finish. Not terrible. But they do have a little bit of surface rust. Wow, that thing is seized up. So all 4 of the mag wells, the outside bodies look pretty good. Mag wells. All 4 of the followers appear to be hung up in there. I'm not sure why. Let me grab something real quick, see if I can get them to loosen up. Well, let's see. See what happens here. I might regret this. Wow, that thing is really seized up. It doesn't fully come back to the top, but you can see, well, it is loosening up. It is possible to loosen that up. Let's find out about this one. Looks like it was just kind of seized up right there close to the top. You guys might be able to see that. Basically about an inch down right here, there's a decent amount of rust in that mag body, but I think it can be cleaned up to keep these from seizing up, and they've all done it right here close to the top. Looks like every one of them's like that. Like they probably just need a good smack with a screwdriver to get it loose, but then you can see down inside of here there's just a little bit of slag. So my recommendation, if you guys get any of these, would probably be to strip it and maybe take some sandpaper to the inside of that. I'm not sure. Something to get rid of some of that rust in there. Or maybe just oil it up and just, you know, work the snot out of it. Might be okay. But they do appear to be seized up. Now, once you break it free, you can see it's not returning to the very top. And like I'm saying, about an inch down in here on all four of these, they appear to be, for whatever reason, there appears to be rust. I don't know why that's the case, but it is there. Let's see if these other four look like that. They might be the same. They might be better. I don't know. So initially, they look pretty much the same. Same general surface rust. Not the end of the world. That one's seized up. And I'm thinking that's the case with every one of these. They're very dry. You guys can probably see that rust in there. I think that's what's causing them to seize up at the top with that follower. This is actually one of the better looking ones, but it feels the same way as well. You know, the bodies look okay. Like I said, just a little bit of surface rust going on. I really don't know why. It must have had something to do with storage. You know, but the bodies aren't dented or anything. It's just they've got some slight surface rust, and then of course you've got your follower hanging up about an inch from the top. And as you guys have seen on these other four, I've actually, you know, I've freed those up, but they really, most of them won't come past this area that's about an inch down from the top of the lips here. But I think they could be serviced. Like I said, I got these for $100 for 4 of them with a mag pouch. So you're talking, I would venture to say, by the time you factor in the cost of mag pouch, I don't know, maybe $20 a mag, a little bit less, or maybe slightly more for some of these RPK Romanian style mags. You know, these are those big ones. There's a lot I can't say, but I'll just leave it at that. You guys are smart. You guys can tell what I'm showing you here. But anyway, do I think it's worth it? Well, the bodies are in great shape. There's no major heavy rusting from what I can tell. A lot of it is just minor surface rust, which I think can very easily be cleaned up. And then of course just working the insides of the mags where those followers come up to the top to make them usable. I don't know if Royal Tiger still has these in. This video is a little delayed because I've had a lot going on and I'm just now getting this one filmed, but RTI has these 4 of these mags with the mag pouch for $99.99 if you guys are interested. Like I said, it's a Parkerized finish. It just looks like it's got some rust going on, maybe a little bit close to the top of the mag wells here. And I'll try to insert a few pictures up here to the left so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because I know my videos don't always do it justice, but you know, just trying to inform you guys as much as possible about what I see here. But the mags look really good other than that. So just wanted to share this with you guys, and obviously, as always, there's going to be more content on the way. I've got plenty of things I need to unbox, parts for doing my refurbs and things of that nature, and I figured, well, might as well just take you guys along on this journey with me. So, as always, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. You help out the channel more than you will ever know. And if you guys haven't considered subscribing, please do so. Also, hit the bell notification so you can sign up to get alerts whenever I put new content out. Because occasionally it'll probably be good deals, and if you're late to the punch on it, you're likely not going to get it. Because oftentimes if it's a great deal, stuff sells out quickly, as many of you full well know. So anyway, as always guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.